Hi, this is Chris from Trench Physics. Lately I've been working with a bunch of small, handmade objects. So I've been spending a lot of quality time with sandpaper and my drill. I was thinking, the way I'm sanding pieces is not efficient, so maybe I can make something better. So I came up with a 3D printed disc sander. Let me show you how it works. The disc sander is a disc with a hole through the center that you can mount a bolt through. I have a hole through the plastic for you to have a bolt, and I recessed the hole for the head of the bolt so that it remains flush. Then I cut out a disc of sandpaper and glued it on with regular Elmer's glue. Comes out much smoother and gets rid of all those burn marks from the laser cutter. You can find the model for the disc sander on Thingiverse, and you can find it on my website, trenchphysics.com, and for more updates, follow me on Twitter @trenchphysics. Thanks!